Okay, so now that we've analyzed the effects of both the demand curves and the supply curves, we'll shift our focus to how these two forces operate together with the real market. So this week we're going to dive into market equilibrium, the key concept in economics that shows how both the supply and the demand curves intersect. So you'll be learning how to graph both the supply and the demand curves together, and we'll focus on the point where they meet, the equilibrium point. So this is where the quantity supplied equals the quantity demanded. And it's one of the most important ideas in understanding how markets work. By the end of this module, you'll be able to graph both the supply and the demand curves, identify the equilibrium point, and explain the significance. You'll also be able to describe how supply and demand interact to reach that balance. This module also covers points of disequilibrium. So, situations where the quantity supplied does not match the quantity demanded. We'll explore what leads to a surplus. Too much of the item is supplied, and a shortage where not enough of the item is available. So additionally, we'll examine market distortions, such as like price floors, price ceilings, and how they disrupt the natural balance of supply and demand. On the content page, there is a 10-minute video that describes market distortions. This video provides a clear and engaging explanation of market distortions, situations where the free market doesn't operate efficiently. We'll learn about common causes such as price controls, taxes, subsidies, and how they disrupt the natural interaction of supply and demand. Through real-world examples and visual graphs, the video shows how distortions cause or create shortage, surplus, and misallocated resources. By the end of the video, you'll better understand why markets sometimes fail to reach equilibrium and what that means for consumers and producers. This is a great resource to reinforce concepts and prepare you for homework or discussion. After completing the content in the market equilibrium module, you'll move on to a worksheet designed to deepen your understanding. This activity will help assess your grasp of the material and challenge your thinking about how markets function. Once you've submitted your responses, I'll review your work and provide feedback to support your learning. For this module, the items to do are complete the Chapter 5 concept description assignments on McGraw-Hill's Connect. Review the videos and slides available on the course content page, and then proceed to complete the accompanying worksheet assignment. Finally, finish off by working through the Chapter 5 homework on market equilibrium. Also, the homework is always open note, open book, and if you have questions, just reach out.